This video is an introduction to NSX tags and how they relate to vDefend. It is very important to understand tags and their function within NSX, so we will start by describing what they are. Tags help you label NSX objects so that you can quickly search or filter objects, troubleshoot and trace, and associate virtual machines to groups for building policy. You can create tags using both the UI and API. In this example, we have 4 VMs on a network segment in the data center. As we can see by the blue dots, they are able to pass traffic between each other without being subjected to firewall policy. We can use tags to identify these virtual machines with names that help classify their functionality. The tag will be used as matching criteria to then associate them to a group. You can have multiple tags associated to a virtual machine. We can repeat the process and put tags on the other virtual machines. Tags are a powerful asset and can be assigned to any object in NSX. In the tag UI, we can see 3 tags were already created and are not assigned to any object in NSX. We can see that the all web tag does not have a scope. This is because the tag name is required for creation while scope is optional. We have 2 web tags with one having a scope of development and the other production. We could have made separate tags named production and development, but in this example we wanted to show how scope can be used. Now let's create a new PCI tag. As you can see, the name is required along with setting the virtual machine it will be assigned to. The tag can be removed from the virtual machine after creation, but it needs to be assigned to at least one virtual machine for creation. To prove this, we will now unassign the WinShare virtual machine from the PCI tag. Now we will assign tags to virtual machines in the virtual machine inventory UI. First, we assign dev web01 to the tag of web with the scope of development. Next, we assign prod web01 to the tag of web with the scope of production. We can also create a new tag from this UI. Let's create a Win7 tag with no scope assigned. Remember, a tag name is required while scope is optional. If you try to assign a scope with no tag name to a virtual machine, it will be unsuccessful. We can see the new tags we created in the tag UI along with the assigned to field being non-zero for each of our web tags. Finally, we can assign both web server virtual machines to the all web tag. We will show you how you can use these tags for group association in the Introduction to Groups video. Tags enable you to add metadata to NSX objects, like virtual machines, for classification. In the next video, we will use these tags to dynamically associate virtual machines to groups. These groups, in turn, are used to create vDefend firewall policy. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoyed this video.